Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to show y'all about Textbroker. So Textbroker is a service that allows you to get paid for simply doing blogs. So I'm going to show y'all around. So this is the assignment section right here. And of course you're going to sign up first and get approved, but this is what happens when you get approved. You got a list of items that you can choose up to your level. Now, 5-star is the highest that you can go, and you can get paid upwards of $7 plus an article. But as you can tell, it doesn't really matter as long as you get 3 stars. 3 stars is where it's at, and this is where I'm located. And all the ones that are highlighted in orange is where you can do work at. So you got multiple categories that you can choose from: traveling, law, home and family, finances. Let's type on finances, 3-star. And you can see you just type in 500 words and you get $5. And of course you got some guidelines to follow. You just click on it. And this is an example of if I was to accept this. Everything pretty self-explanatory. So I've been doing this for a couple weeks now, and the only downside is I got pinned for review like 2 times, and unfortunately during the review process I could not do any more blogs. But if you don't end up coming across this issue, you can do several of these per day and make a pretty good chunk of change. I mean, this ain't no major money, but it's nice. I mean, the fact that if you do, let's say, just 4 a day at $5, that's $20 a day. 4 days a week, that's $80 a week, $320 a month. That's enough to pay a light bill. Or even at the $3, you do 5 of these a day, 15, 5 days a week, 75 times 4, once again $300, enough to pay a light bill, cable, you know, some extra money. So now we're going to go to payouts. And like I said, I've only done 5 articles, so this is my pay right here. And I'm going to request a payout. So now it's saying your current PayPal address record on file is lawanG@gmail.com. Please check this email address for proper spelling, translations, and let's see. Once you confirm this email address is the correct and proper address, the payment will be sent to the address. A change after confirming your address and requesting your payoff is not possible. So, yep, that's my name. Thank goodness. So now we're going to click request. This is my first time requesting, so we're going to see what happens. Yes, request. So I guess it's going to take upwards of a half hour to reach my PayPal account. And then it's reset, so my balance is back down to 0. And it shows to request a payout, your account must show a balance of at least $10. Payout request made by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday will be paid out on Friday. Any funds not requested will roll over to next pay period. Please give us all of Friday to send out notifications and processes. So this is going to obviously pay out next week then. Wait a minute, I just got something in my email. Let's see. So that's a confirmation right there. So you have requested a payout. This adds up to a total of $11.50. The amount has been subtracted from your Textbroker account and will be transferred to your PayPal account on the next pay off date. We pay out weekly and, you know, Pacific time. So pretty much, since I did not do this last night, I will be getting paid out next week on the 10th, and there you go. So pretty self-explanatory. So obviously legit. And you know, these are my rest of my stuff that I'm got in here. That's my personal skincare account for my business. Other receipts and stuff. Y'all know that Jack account. Yes. The girl engages some extra activities too. My Mind Swarm account study. Oh, this is also a good opportunity for y'all as well. This gives you $50 for each one that you're in, get invited to and you participate in. So I would definitely recommend y'all check out Mind Swarm as well. But anyways, let's go back to assignments. So assignments. Let's see if I want to do any one of these right here. None for games. Health. Marketing. Let's see about marketing. Wait a minute, do they got one for beauty? Let's see. So, okay, so we're going to do marketing 1 star. Ooh, all of these are look like $5 assignment. I don't like doing $5 assignments as often because it comes with a lot more stuff they want you to do. All the 2 stars have been taken. Let's see what's in business. Ooh, $5, $5. So this wants you to do a Lifetime Achievement Award recap. It shows you that you have to use this word at least 4 to 5 times in your article. And then every time you click on one, you have a timer to accept it. Of course, there's multiple ones, so if you run out of time, you can always click on another one. And then that's your criteria, and you'll type in your article, and that's it. Now, the hack around this is I'm currently using my headset right now. You can easily go to Google Docs and do voice typing. So instead of typing on the with your laptop or phone, you can also do this with your phone as well. But on the laptop, you could just say the commands into your open microphone or into your headset, and it will type into the Google Docs, and then you will just transfer it onto the page that you need to transfer it to. And like I said, if you're doing this from your phone and you don't have a laptop, you can also just do your Google Android voice and just, you know, do text to speech. And that is basically it. So like I said, it takes 3 weeks to hear back from them. At first I thought I just didn't get accepted, but it took me 3 weeks to get back from them. I had to do a sample article, and then they rated me 3 stars. And like I said, 3 stars is basically where it's at, because going back to assignments, most of your articles that get requested are 3 stars anyway. Nobody's really requesting 5 stars. You see these right here, these are only numbers of requests for 5-star reviews, and I'm sure they probably cost a good money, like $10 or $12, but you don't get that much in comparison to even the 4-star reviews. Not that many people are requesting 4-star reviews. It's just easier to go 3 stars, especially since you can get paid $5 per review versus, you know, you might get $10 for these over here, but it's like they're very few and far in between versus the 3-star reviews. So that is it, y'all. Any other questions that you have about Textbroker, leave them down below. Like I said, if you apply, it will be a 3-week process at the longest before you hear back from them. And then you do a sample interview, and then you can start doing articles. So that is it, y'all. Leave y'all thoughts down below, and I will see y'all soon with more videos. Mwah.